This is my new store, y'all. For real. Like, everything that I have a taste for and everything that I eat is in Trader Joe's. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki Nicole, and I am back again with another video. Brand new day, brand new start, brand new me, baby. Today is going to be a little short video. I currently just got off work, and it's been a long day. I just left baby job, and now I am at Trader Joe's. I've never been here before, and I heard good things about it. And I done ate so much like restaurant food and stuff like that to where I really don't know what I want to eat, and I want to try something different. So today I'm gonna go up in Trader Joe's and pretty much find something to cook, like something simple, something good, something different. And yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me, and I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna let my Bella Bell out to use the bathroom, and yeah, get to cooking or whatever. Just want something different. I pretty much eat everything. Like, whenever I have a taste for something, I just go out and get it, pretty much. And I'm all out of ideas, so I want to eat something different. Yeah, so you guys just come along with me. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the most important part, you guys. Support your girl. And yeah, come on. Trader Joe's. I got the pumpkins out there. So many cute. Pretty small store. Yes, guys, I like this place. Like, literally, the food was cheap. Like, the food is cheap up in there. I'm thinking that this place is very expensive, but it is really affordable. Really, really nice. It's kind of small. Don't have a lot of varieties of things, but the food that I eat is in there. Like, I spent $20-something on that Indian food that I had, and I come up in here and I have the same food for about $5, literally. But oh my god! And then I got a free bag. So I told her I'd never been here before and I really like this place. And she was like, "Oh my god, let me get you a free bag." So I'm like, "Oh wow." Like, customer service is A1. Oh my god. This is my new store, y'all. For real. Like, everything that I have a taste for and everything that I eat is in Trader Joe's. And I always thought that this place was like really uppity, and you know, if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got me some stir fry, so I had a taste for it. I'm gonna eat this now, and then when my baby get off work, we're gonna try this. I've seen this on TikTok, and I'm gonna try it with the noodles, cilantro, and onions, I think, with like whole eggs in there. Oh yes, your girl finna start whipping up some stuff. Oh, Trader Joe's, y'all finna get tired of me now. Like, their food is very, very affordable. And I thought this place was like expensive, like more expensive than Whole Foods. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry if I'm just scratching. My arm is hurting. I have that bag on my arm, and it's like kind of irritating. It's a little red and irritating. But yeah, I'm supposed to head on out, go home, get out these clothes, take a shower, honey, and get the cooking. Baby get off work at 11. It's 7:41 now, and excuse me, I am about to relax pretty much, but I want to make that other meal for when baby get off work, because she never tried it before and I never tried it before, and I know it's gonna be bomb. I don't know if she wants the tacos or if she wants the noodles like I do, but yeah, gonna head on out, guys, and yeah, y'all stay tuned so y'all can see how I whipped up these little milli meal. Okay, so peace. What's good? I am back. I took a shower, I relaxed a little bit. Now I'm home cooking. Baby's in the bed waiting on me to get done. I started pretty late, so I just got lazy. I worked 12 hours today, so yeah, I am making this beef birria. I can't pronounce it. I am having a hard time pronouncing this. But yeah, I seen it on TikTok. I got it from Trader Joe's. This is how it look. I don't want to waste the juice, but that's how it look. And yeah, I got everything pretty much prepped already. Have my onions. Trying to show you guys. My cilantro, my lime. I have my chicken broth over there. My noodles is baking or boiling. I have my eggs already done. So I pretty much had everything prepped already. So I'm gonna just put it over here. It's pretty much pre-cooked already, and I'm just warming it up. Me, I'm in my pajamas. But yeah, guys, this looks really good. Like I said, I seen it on TikTok and I wanted to try it. I wanted to do the one with the noodles, the Roman noodles, and then if I like that, then I'll try the tacos. But I'm just breaking up the meat right now. It looks good. The juice looks good too. So yeah, I'm just gonna crank it up a little bit, because I'm gonna watch it. Yeah, like I said, I have my eggs all ready. Don't mind my dog, she's whining. Bella, hush. And got my noodles right there. They should be almost done. Let's see. They're pretty much done though. I don't like my noodles all soft and stuff. But yeah, I got this from Trader Joe's. It was $7.99. Yeah, $7.99. I'll show you the receipt right there. Yeah, that's like I said, that's my new store. I love that store. Everything in there was reasonable, cheap, or whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this cook up some more. Bring it to a little boil or whatever. And then I'm gonna come back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back. It is cooking. Look at that, cooking baby. Let's turn it down a little bit now. Now I'm finna season it, put my own little touch to it. A little pepper. I'm just gonna put some garlic. Garlic salt. That's it. I don't need nothing else. I don't want to mess up the taste too much. And then stir that in. It smells so good. I think that taco would have looked, well, would have been real good too. How it's looking. Oh, this looks so good, guys. Look at this. It's a lot of meat too. I didn't think it was gonna be that much meat, but yes. Okay. Put my noodles in the bowl while it's continuing cooking. It's done. I'm just letting it cook a little bit so the juice can be really hot. Trying to make it equal. But of course, baby, get a little bit more. Okay. So, equal. Just in case I like it. And I'm gonna be digging in her stuff. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. This is chicken broth. Pour that in there. I don't want too much. See how it quieted a little bit? I gotta let it cook back up. I think a little, just a little bit more. Okay. I'm gonna let that get a little bit warmer. I always like to clean as I go. I want to taste a little piece, but I don't want to ruin it. I want to be surprised. I want to be surprised. Come on, crank it up. Crank it up. It smells so good. I'll bring y'all a little bit closer. Look at that. Yes, honey. Okay. It is done. Right here. Always try to make it even. That looks so good. Okay. Get my toppings. I'm gonna put onions over there. I like onions, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Just a little bit for baby. I'm gonna get the cilantro. Love my cilantro. You really don't need that much cilantro because it's strong. Okay. I have a lot of dishes to clean, guys. I'm gonna squeeze a lemon. Not that much, but okay. Now I have to cut my egg. I'm really not, I don't really eat the yellow part of the egg. I'm still getting used to that part. I'm not a big fan of it. But I'm gonna eat it today. But yeah, This is what it looks like, guys. Don't that look good? That looks really, really good. This is babies. Well, you guys, this will be the end of the video. I'm sorry to end it so soon, but your girl is hungry. I'm about to grub and watch some of my favorite shows and go to bed. Yeah, and I will do another video soon. So y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for joining me for my cooking session. My cooking video. It's my cooking video. I'm gonna do more cooking videos. But yeah, I have dishes that I gotta do after I'm done eating. And just relaxing for the rest of the night. It's pretty much late. It's 12:28 in the morning. My baby got off at 11, so I'm about to take this to her and I'm about to eat and I'm about to chill. And you guys stay tuned for another video. Good night. Hey guys, I forgot. It wouldn't be right if I didn't let baby taste it. And y'all gotta know how it tastes, so yeah, we're gonna get this reaction from my baby. Hey, Noonie.
Me too.
Taste it.
Y'all know I'm a picky eater. And don't mind me, I just got out of work, so I'm be looking all look crazy. So let's get a scoop of everything. Ooh, that thing hot.
Got the coffee on.
It is amazing.
It's good.
It's really good. I'm a picky eater. So if I say it's good, it is really good.
Let me try a little bit. Oh yeah.
It's really good.
That sauce is really good with that. Oh yeah.
It is really delicious.
Oh yeah. Y'all, I'm finna to eat.
You know?
I am finna to eat. Got mine in the microwave. But your girl is about to eat, honey. Yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys later. I just want to put that in there because it wouldn't have been right if I didn't let you get the reaction of my baby tasting it. You know? But yeah, good night.